I have another short haul from Amazon. There was a suggestion from another YouTuber, G2B Maltese, for a certain set for the diamond painting. So I thought I would go ahead and try it. It looked like a really good deal. And this is who it is by. There's instructions on here for the sticky pins and the pickup glue for the diamond painting. Let's see what's inside. It's packaged very well, very nicely. Yeah. Let's see. Shows you this, picking them up. A few different sizes. Nice. Very nice. Okay. How do we open this? Try to get it out as fast as I can. Very noisy. So much stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the sticky glue tags, I assume. And we have little stickers for this box here that you can put your diamonds in. Drills, I should say. And 2 plastic tweezers. I don't know if I would use these. We have the orange boat. And we have the blue. Pretty sturdy. And I guess this is for your pen, because this is where this is at. Okay. And that's a pretty good size. Straightening tool. Another straightening tool. Smaller straightening tool. Another straightening tool. And this looks like a 3 diamond pickup. Maybe a 5 or 6 diamond pickup. 3 again. Pen. Diamond pickup. Diamond pickup. Straightening tool. Straightening tool. And it comes with a ton of wax. That's really nice. Oh, and it comes with your standard boat. And your little green boat. And a couple more diamond tools. We have 2 more straightening tools. And a small straightening tool. And a pickup tool on the other end of the straightening tool. That is a lot of tools. That is nice. It's something I did not have, nor did I have this, or this, and that's fine. Wow, okay, this is a lot of stuff. $7.99, she said. I'll try to put the link down below. Thank you to GT Maltese who recommended this. And if you like the video, like it. If you don't like it. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.